Hello everyone. Today we will explore one of the best tools for statistical analysis named CARTO. Myself, Shashank Bagda, I am the student of ICT department studying in semester 4 and my enrollment number is 20. So let's check the tool. Here, as you can see, there are different types of charts and we can develop one type of system on this app. Now, what are the systems and what kind of charts we will see? We can make on the system. Let us see. So, as you can see on the home page, you can see the recent design which you have customized or the data query which you have imported from different services like Google Big Data Query and other. Here in the map section, what you will see that the the data or we can say the map which you have created you can explore here. Basically, carto is a spatial data app, which means spatial means anything which is related or any data which is related to geographical either directly or indirectly. Now to create this kind of data we have to let us first explore each and every features in this app. Workflow. What is workflow? Workflow means uh, like when we do any kind of coding we create a flow chart. So in that flow chart we represent how that code is running, what are the loops, what are the conditions, and what are the working parameters like we take an example of an Arduino based program. So what happens in it? We represent different sensors, actuators, then microcontroller, then what the code is doing in a flowchart. Similarly, in this app, we can demonstrate the workflow of each and every data set. Now, why workflow is needed here? We'll see further. Another is Data Explorer. Data Explorer means there are two kind of category in CARTO data warehouse. Now what is CARTO data warehouse? CARTO gives us facility to either take the live data from each and every services available on the CARTO, or you can also import your data from here. While we import our data, we must have either CSV file or some data files which contains location details. Now data observatory. Data observatory shows us the live data sets which are currently going on or either currently observed. There are so many different services, global, or you can even find it, or you can say you can filter it with the country. You can also categorize them by their types, and also you can categorize them by their licenses. So let's take one of the data set. Suppose I want to take any data from India. So let's check India here. Now types of data which are available from India. Uh, let's say geographical. Let's work upon this. Explore. Now in statistics, we have learned that there are so many types of representation of data are there. We have also learned in the subject data visualization, like so a singular data can be represented in many ways, but the way which we select it must be accurate and effective to a user. So as you can see, you will get live data or we can say stored data on the Carto server from connections. As I told you earlier, Carto is an app which provides us facility to take data from either live server or live SQL services, or you can say BigQuery data, Snowflakes, PostgreSQL, Amazon Redshift, Databricks, and many more. So if you have any in your local database server, or you can say a data collection system which you have implemented either on your plant or on your nearby area or on your city or on your nation, either any of the data which is collecting continuously, you can represent them here. CARTO makes us very easy to represent them and analyze the current data of each and every platform. Now, applications. Applications are nothing but they will show you how to enhance your data with the help of different companies. Like if I have some data related to uh, uh, population of any particular area, then I have to map with some of the healthcare analytics, or we can say any other uh, statistical analytic which supports this kind of information. Let's make our first. Let's see the map which I have first created. So analyzing Airbnb ratings in Los Angeles. So this is the data which I have created, which takes the data of Airbnb users in the Los Angeles. Now, as you can see here, there are so many different kinds of representation available here. Now, the main reason for choosing this app is 3D representation. There are very few apps which let users to see their data in a 3D way. Here you can see your data live and on the real map, you can say. Now to change different kind of layers, you can also integrate, or you can say also you can modify the sources which you are using. You can add here your source, either you can import your CSV file, or you can add a SQL query which is currently working, or you can say hosted on the internet. You can retrieve the data from your SQL. While we go to widgets, there are new widgets to, we can say, you can use for your sources. Now here in the widget type, you will see so many options of representation or your data. You can make them histogram type, categorize them, or you can say you can also import any of the formula on your sources. So this is all about widgets. Then another is interaction. Interaction are nothing but they are applied when you want some pop-up kind of application. Whenever you click something, you either hover something, there might be a pop-up, or we can say a notification like this. Then another is ligand. Ligand are nothing but they shows the data range with their appropriate color. You can either uh, modify them as per your convenience. Here there are data range which you can select. This is the data range which Carto have already selected by its own, but you can also define your data range. Now another one is base maps. Base maps are nothing but they will give more enhanced features, or we can say more enhanced graphical representations for your data. Now suppose if I shift to Carto and make it position, then it will create, and also you are able to modify whether you want to see water, land, or building on the map or not. There are different options available in this base map. Then again, Google Maps. You can either use Google Map layout also, like what we use for the Google Map. You can directly use it here. You can change your layout either in 3D or 2D. To use the AWS service, you need some of the credential and paid services so that you can use the AWS layout also. So this is all about uh, the CARTO app, or we can say CARTO service. Now the main, uh, you might be thinking like, what is the need of, or what is the main reason for choosing this app? Uh, there are several reasons. First one is the representation capability. Uh, you will see very few less app which this kind of or this much strong network within each and every other companies. Another reason is this one is free with GitHub. I have just joined the GitHub's student package, and this app comes with it. You can use it, and you can perform different tasks and different uh, uh, activities in this app. Another thing is you can connect your live systems. You can connect your own project, which are currently connected with your database, having live server feedback, and each and everything. And you can directly see those data here. For example, if I am creating a system for port air quality index monitoring system, what it does, there are so many sensors located in a several distance in on the whole port. Now, the data of each and every sensor are uploaded online on your server, and they are analyzed. Whenever you are dealing with such kind of things, you need a map. With this, if you embed your all the uh, components with the SQL, and thus SQL queries are embedded with this Carto builder, you can actually see the location of each and every sensor on the Google Map and the data which they are getting. And on basis of that data, you can analyze the color, you can do any other functionality from it. Also, this kind of analysis makes easier for the user to understand the data analysis related to geographical landscape. So that's it from my side. Thank you very much.